Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to create some credits from scratch. I'm going to delete those credits already on the screen. I'm going to grab my type tool and I'm going to click on the screen. And the first thing I want to do is choose my font, choose the size. I'm using Trajan Pro. I'm using a certain size font. I can choose whether it's a certain color. Then once again, I'll go to my credits that I've created in a text document or a Word document. It's easier for me to copy and paste than it is to type. You can type directly into Premiere and then just paste that in. So this is a little large, so I'll just resize it until it's the right size. There we go. So we're using this setting right here. Let's make it smaller. Let's make it 30. There we go. And then I'll just place that where I want it to be. Hold down the Alt or Option key to copy it. Actually, the Alt isn't working, so I'll just grab my type tool and click and make another line, and it should be set to the last settings I had. And then I'll just copy that text from there, click into there and paste it in, and do the next line. Click in there, paste it in. And then after I get it all pasted in, I'll line it all up. So I have something like this. And now what I'm going to do is grab my selection tool, shift click, and select all the lines of text. And then I'll center it through the middle. And then I can even work with adjusting the spacing between the different lines. Shift click and select all the lines. I'm going to move this last one down a little bit. So now that I've got that set up, I'm going to animate them. So I'm going to set the screen to about 25%, so it's really small. I'm going to start at the beginning of my project, at the beginning of my credits. I'm going to go to position the second set here, and I'm going to drag that down by dragging to the right until it's off screen. Turn on my stopwatch, drag it, I'll drag this out a little bit, make it a little longer. Then I'll drag this to the end. I can drag it from here as well. And then just drag it up all the way across the screen. And I'll set that to fit. Let's test it. So it's playing a little fast, so I can just grab this, drag it out a little bit longer, and then adjust the length on the screen here. Until I get the speed exactly the way I want. And that's how you manually create credits in Premiere.